you so much for tuning in. So today I have bring a makeup sponge. Yes, a affordable one which is only retail for 299, somewhere like under 300. This is how it looks. I brought this from Nykaa.com, so you can get a link in the down below. Don't forget to check my description box for more details. So the name of the sponge is C.A.L Los Angeles Makeup Sponge Beauty Blender. It's retailed for 299 rupees, and believe me, if you are not willing to expend 1000 something on beauty blender, you can spend on 299 on this, and it's actually really works very well. It's actually work with powder, cream, liquid, anything whatever you want to apply. This sponge is 100% vegan and all kind of cruelty free. It's very easy to clean with mild water and soap, and also the texture of this sponge is really soft. Like you have experienced the cheap kind of beauty blenders when the quality is very bad and the sponge is very hard, but with this one it's not getting anywhere. Like it's very nice one. It's a soft, you can see it's a semi, right now it's a semi wet. So C.A.L Los Angeles is actually an Indian brand, and I'm really happy to using an Indian brand as a beauty blender, because we all have to encourage Indian brand to do some more things so that we can use desi saman. Yeah. In Nykaa, it's having rating for 4.1 out of 5, so you can see that it's a really reviewed product from all other sites. So yeah. Application wise, it's a very nice one. It's blend your foundation in the skin very nicely and smooth. Okay, so if you use this product, so please comment below and give me your reviews on this product. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, bye bye.